Hey there, welcome. Welcome to Rise and Receive. This is an opportunity in your day to stop whatever you're doing and take a little time to explore how to receive fulfillment in your life by unlearning struggle. So today we're covering tip number 9 in a series on getting easy momentum in your life. And today's tip is called Liberate Yourself or Free Yourself from the Too Much to Do blind spot. So if you have something in your life where you'd like to get some momentum, doesn't matter what the area of life is, whether it's relationships and having some kind of a breakthrough and momentum there, personal or professional or romantic or family, if it's about beauty and wellness, if it's about money or work or even your sense of personal power, choose that area of life, bring that into your awareness. And if you struggle with feeling stressed out because you have too much to do, or so you think, in order to get some momentum going, then stay tuned because I really believe you're going to get a lot from today's tip. If you don't know me, my name is Sonia Miller. I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author, and I mentor ambitious, goal-oriented people to surpass their limits with ease and speed. And the way that I do this is I teach the one skill most outcome-driven people are missing, which is how to receive. Because most ambitious, goal-oriented people don't have that skill. What tends to happen is that we have a unique set of behaviors and blind spots that overdevelop our hunter pursuing, go out and get the goal sort of skills, while malnourishing the receiving skills that allow you to welcome into your life what you've been working so hard for. And this is the cause of your upper limits. But here's the thing, surpassing your limits, if you're stuck, is not about working harder. It's about training your awareness. Hey, David, thanks for joining me. So that's what we do here at Rise and Receive. We stop all the overdoing and we explore how to receive so that you can surpass your limits and really get beyond those things that held you back before. So back to tip number 9 today. How to free yourself from the too much to do blind spot. So when we are training our awareness and we're learning these skills that many times we're missing as hunter pursuers, the main thing to remember, that the foundation of everything, is that your consciousness creates your reality. Everything happening in your inner world, thoughts, feelings, sensations, memories, beliefs, conditions are all creating the cause of your reality. Your actions are actually secondary, not primary, to manifesting your goals and dreams. So what's happening in consciousness when you feel like you have too much to do? This is the thing to understand. You are not stressed out because you have too much to do. You are stressed out because of the consciousness beneath that, which is, I have to do in order to receive what I want. And so in consciousness, what happens is that everything that you want is being held hostage to your to-do list. Now, this comes from a very deep and natural belief system that develops in the course of many of our lives, which has our sense of worthiness, self-worth, and capacity to receive to be based on what's called transactional value, which means if I do this, then I get my sense of value, my appreciation, my approval for what I do. And that's what makes us feel valued and worthy. And then that's the consciousness that keeps perpetuating itself. So the way to access easy momentum now is to open up to the idea that you get to receive simply because you exist. Not because of what you do, but because of what you exist. Where does this happen naturally in life? It happens in nature. The majestic tree just stands there and receives everything it needs and much of what it wants simply by being, not by doing, not by thinking, not by pursuing, but by being. And it gets everything it needs and perhaps much of what it wants if a tree wants anything. In an ideal family environment, a baby gets everything it needs and maybe much of what it wants simply because it exists through the natural course of healthy nurturing. It poops, it receives a diaper. It cries, it receives food. It smiles, it receives all kinds of attention. And it gets all kinds of love just because it's this little lump of beingness in an ideal situation. And part of what happens is many of us don't grow up in an ideal situation because we're raised by human parents who were raised by their human parents, and it's just a natural part of life. So it's not about blaming, but it's about illuminating where transactional value and innate value come from. So how do you start to nurture your innate value? You practice it in consciousness. You train your awareness. Every time that you're stressed out with the idea, I have too much to do, stop, notice, and start to train your awareness to focus on something else. Instead of, I have too much to do, which will create that reality, you can practice this affirmation. So this is the Nurture Yourself card from the Receive Oracle card deck that you can get on Amazon. And the affirmation is this: I am willing to receive simply because I exist. Now, if you have a hard time believing this, you can modify this. I am willing to believe that I can receive simply because I exist. I am willing to discover how it is so that I can receive simply because I exist. It's an act of faith when you have put your faith and been valued and validated for your hard work ethic. But if you're hitting an upper limit, if you're exhausted, if you'd like to experience more ease, speed, and fulfillment beyond where you've been able to go before, then the work is in training your awareness, not in working harder. So I hope you'll take this on. I hope this is helpful. If it was, please like, please share. It helps me reach the people that I'm here to serve. And you can also click the red subscribe button on YouTube, which also helps me reach those people. And if this excites you and you'd like to more than activate easy momentum, but really energize it and keep it going in your life and receive your clarity, your power, and your path forward around a particular area of life, save the date for Saturday the 21st. I'm doing a brand new workshop called Get Momentum, the Get Momentum Workshop. I'll be releasing details very soon, and I'd love for you to join me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and remember, you cannot receive what you most want if you don't know how to receive. Have a great day. Bye.